channel. Today I'm at the junkyard, just going through some cars, and I stumbled upon a nice 92, 93, whatever this is, SE, with some nice leather interior that I am pulling out right now. Very mint leather. The front seats are messed up. I'm not gonna grab these because I'm gonna be changing the front seats, but as far as the door panels, they're super mint. Headliner is perfect. It's the SE, so it has an airbag. Someone already pulled out the center console and the bezel and speedometer and all that. But this is my first pretty good find at the junkyard as far as Accords go. And I also found this Accord that looks pretty stock. However, I just found an ESP traction bar right here. You can see this is ESP traction bar. It's in good condition, so I'm gonna have the guy pull this car out so I can pull this traction bar out. I don't necessarily need it, but I may put it up for sale. They have another one here. It's 5-speed, but I don't really need anything out of here. This one's pretty trash, but pretty good find here. So today is the day. See my messy garage that I'm about to clean up. My car. So I got the intercooler mounted. Got the radiator mounted. I just changed the slave cylinder. It goes into gear now. Yeah, I'm getting ready to take it to the tuner. Should be a fun adventure. So made it to Orlando. Had to make a quick pit stop at a machine shop real quick for something else for my dirt bikes and stuff I'm working on. But the car made it down in one piece. Towed it with my truck. Got all my goodies in there. Going to hook up. Get all my gauges hooked up. Hopefully Boostedboi gear. What's in here? Spark plugs, stuff the tuner needs. Got oil for them, coolant, transmission fluid, rest of the turbo pipes. So we will see how this goes. Probably won't be able to do anything tuning or anything today. They'll probably be in a separate video, but at least I'm making a step getting it down to them, and hopefully we can make some jam.